Hello, this is Zeynep. Today we will be doing a DNA extraction lab. For this lab, we need 3 or 4 strawberries, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of dish soap, rubbing alcohol, an empty cup, half a cup of warm water, a Ziploc bag, coffee filter paper, and a funnel. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is putting my strawberries in the Ziploc bag and mushing them until they have a puree-like consistency. I also cut them to pieces so it's easier for me to mush them. It's easier to mush them if you get the air out of the Ziploc bag. If you have mixed strawberries to the point where it's a liquid and there are no chunks, you will be doing the extracting solution. For this, we need the half cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of dish soap. Mix them until they are incorporated with each other. Now put 2 to 3 teaspoons of the solution that you created to the strawberries. You have to mix the solution with the strawberries, but make sure that it doesn't become too foamy. This solution will help the DNA get out of the nucleus and come to the liquid that we created. Once you have mixed the strawberries and the solution, the next step is putting the coffee paper filter on a cup and pouring the strawberries in and waiting about 5 minutes until all the liquid droops through the paper to the glass. Now that we have all the juice filtered, we're gonna add the rubbing alcohol. The amount should be the same as this juice. So let's add and wait to see what happens. We can see that it's not mixing, it's in 2 different layers, and we will observe it now. The DNA is now extracted. These bubbly white looking things are the DNA, and we can take it out with our knife. It's really interesting because we can actually see and touch the DNA of a strawberry without even using a microscope. So what happened here? When we mushed the strawberries and then added the extraction solution, the DNA got out of the nucleus and came into the liquid. And at the end, when we just had the juice and added the rubbing alcohol, it's made the DNA precipitate, and all of the DNA clumped into one big blob of DNA, which is this. It's really interesting to see that this much DNA comes from only 3 strawberries, because the strawberries are like really small things. If this is the DNAs of 3 strawberries, then think about the DNA of a human. It would be really big. And this was my lab today. Thanks for watching me, and bye!